Mastering TikTok. Maximizing earnings with AI. TikTok, the wildly popular short-form video app, has taken the world by storm, attracting millions of users and creating a new generation of influencers. With its easy-to-use interface, viral content potential, and algorithm-driven recommendations, TikTok has become a powerful platform for individuals and businesses alike to reach a global audience and monetize their content. In this article, we will explore how creators can leverage the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to master TikTok and maximize their earnings on the platform. At its core, TikTok is a platform driven by algorithms that analyze user behavior, preferences, and interactions to deliver personalized content to each user's feed. This algorithmic approach is what sets TikTok apart from other social media platforms and plays a crucial role in determining which videos go viral and which creators gain traction on the platform. AI plays a central role in TikTok's algorithm, powering features such as the For You page, FYP, which curates a personalized feed of videos based on each user's interests and engagement history. By analyzing factors such as video content, user interactions, and engagement patterns, TikTok's AI algorithm identifies trending videos and surfaces them to a wider audience, giving creators the opportunity to reach millions of viewers organically. For creators looking to maximize their earnings on TikTok, understanding and harnessing the power of AI is essential. One way to do this is by creating content that is optimized for the platform's algorithm. This includes creating engaging, high-quality videos that are likely to resonate with TikTok's user base and drive engagement. By leveraging AI-powered analytics tools, creators can gain insights into their audience demographics, content performance, and engagement metrics, allowing them to refine their content strategy and create more compelling videos that appeal to their target audience. In addition to creating engaging content, creators can also leverage AI-powered tools and technologies to enhance their videos and increase their visibility on the platform. For example, AI-powered video editing tools can help creators enhance their videos with special effects, filters, and transitions, making them more visually appealing and engaging to viewers. Likewise, AI-driven captioning and transcription tools can help creators make their videos more accessible to a wider audience by automatically generating captions and subtitles in multiple languages. Furthermore, AI-powered content recommendation tools can help creators identify trending topics, hashtags, and challenges on TikTok, allowing them to capitalize on viral trends and maximize their reach and exposure on the platform. By analyzing data from millions of videos and user interactions, these tools can identify patterns and trends that are likely to resonate with TikTok's audience, helping creators stay ahead of the curve and create content that is relevant and timely. Another way creators can leverage AI to maximize their earnings on TikTok is by monetizing their content through brand partnerships, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. By leveraging AI-powered influencer marketing platforms and algorithms, creators can connect with brands and advertisers looking to reach their target audience on TikTok and negotiate sponsored content deals that align with their brand values and audience demographics. Additionally, AI-powered content monetization platforms can help creators identify opportunities to monetize their content through affiliate marketing, product placements, and sponsored promotions, allowing them to generate a steady stream of income from their TikTok videos. In conclusion, mastering TikTok and maximizing earnings on the platform requires a strategic approach and a deep understanding of how AI powers TikTok's algorithm and recommendation engine. By creating engaging content, leveraging AI-powered tools and technologies, and monetizing their content through brand partnerships and sponsored promotions, creators can unlock the full potential of TikTok and turn their passion for creating videos into a lucrative source of income. With the right strategy and the power of AI on their side, creators can reach millions of viewers, build a loyal fan base, and achieve success on TikTok.